This is the hot spring. Guru Gunung Pancar. And the water is so hot. Can see within 2 minutes my feet has become red. But the rain again. This is the water which comes naturally, and it is really, really hot water. Yeah. Sulfur is there in this water. Volcanic water, hot spring. Sulfur. Gunung Pancar, the name of the place.